How to check your monetization eligibility status on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I'm already on my Instagram account, so make sure that you are logged in too. So first of all, you have to check if you have a professional account, because this is the only way to check if you are eligible for monetization on Instagram. So if you don't have a professional account and you want to switch, you just have to click on those three lines from the right top corner, then go to settings, and then from here you have to go to account. And at the bottom, if you swipe down, you will see switch account type. So you have to click on that and then switch to a professional business account. So after you've done that, let's go back to our profile. And now let's check if we are eligible for monetization. So for that, you have to click on those three lines from the right top corner, then go to settings, and then you will have the third option, which is creator. You can either have a business option instead of creator. So you have to click on that, creator or business. And then here at the bottom of the page, you will see monetization status. If you have that business option that I said to you before, you will find this monetization status much more at the top of the page. So search for this option in this page and then click on monetization status. So here you can see if you are eligible for monetization. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel, and also if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.